In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Whiteboard. Canva Whiteboard is a flexible space for brainstorming, planning, and collaboration, and you'll pick it up fast with a few core skills. Log into Canva, click Create a Design, then select Whiteboard, or type Whiteboard into search. Choose a blank canvas or start from a template like a brainstorm board to move faster. Free accounts work great if you're new, sign up first. Once your whiteboard opens, you're on an infinite canvas where you can zoom and pan freely. That's your space to collect ideas, map processes, or plan projects. Use the left toolbar to add sticky notes, press S as a shortcut. Drop in shapes with C for a circle and R for a square, then bring in lines, arrows, text, images, or charts. The Draw tool lets you sketch with a pen, marker, or highlighter, and there's an eraser if you want a clean slate. Adjust stroke thickness and hold Shift to draw perfectly straight lines. Customize colors and fonts to match your theme, and, if you like, speed things up with AI-generated content or helpful apps right inside Canva. Everything is drag and drop, so building your board feels quick and flexible. As your ideas grow, arrange them by dragging items anywhere on the infinite canvas. Use connectors or arrows to show relationships and flow between concepts. Color code sections to separate topics and group related items so you can move them as a unit. To navigate faster, hold the spacebar and drag to pan, or use Ctrl or CMD plus your mouse scroll to zoom in and out. Sticky notes can be sorted by color, name, topic, or reactions, which is great after a brainstorm to see patterns at a glance. A tidy layout makes presenting and decision-making much easier. When you're ready to work with others, share your whiteboard link for real-time editing. People can comment, react, and even follow your cursor to see exactly where you are. You can also invite collaborators by email if that's easier. Track changes as they happen, add timers to keep sessions focused, and use the follow user feature or release followers when it's time for independent exploration. When you're done, export your board as a PNG, a PDF, or even a presentation. Present full screen to walk your team through the flow, or duplicate the board to reuse it for the next meeting. If you need different formats, use Magic Resize to adapt it for other sizes, or integrate your board into documents and social media to extend your work beyond the session. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.